Welcome to this presentation on how to ace all your tests in college. Before we get started, here are a few things to think about. Anytime you tackle a new topic, chapter, lesson, or study session, it's important to take a minute or two to tune in to some basic questions. This helps set the mental stage and prepare your mind for what's coming up. When you open your mind to new topics by posing some basic questions, it will give your study sessions focus. Let's start out by taking a few minutes to think about how much time you need to commit to studying in preparation for tests. In high school, about 80% of what you needed to learn came from your teacher, and about 20% from your own work outside of class. In college, the opposite is true. You will only receive a small portion of what you need to learn from your teacher, and the majority of the material you need to cover will be on your own, studying independently by reading assignments, doing practice exercises, reviewing, and using other active study techniques that we'll be talking about later in this presentation. When you were in high school, how much time did you spend per week studying? If you said 1 to 3 hours, then you were pretty much like most high school students. Well, in college, you should plan on spending about 2 to 3 hours studying independently for each hour that you spend in class. One 3-credit-hour class requires 3 hours per week of class time, and therefore 4 to 6 hours of study time outside of class. If you're taking 12 credits, you should figure on spending 12 hours per week in class and another 24 to 36 hours studying on your own. Wow, that's quite a difference from what you're used to in high school. So that helps explain the reasoning behind this 80-20 rule.